Efficient energy management is indispensable for maintaining sustainability, optimizing costs, and facility operations. Adequate control and management of energy consumption can significantly reduce an organization's carbon footprint, enhancing its green credentials and environmental stewardship. An effective energy management system encompasses a broad range of activities, including regular energy audits, identification of potential energy-saving measures, implementation of energy-efficient technology, and continuous monitoring of energy performance to meet those targets. Investing in intelligent systems that adapt to occupancy levels and conserve energy during unoccupied spaces. Renewable energy sources have emerged as a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative to conventional energy sources. Investing in solar panels demonstrates a commitment to sustainability and responsible environmental stewardship in light of the growing concern over environmental issues. Monitoring is key. Using energy management software to track consumption patterns is critical to identifying areas for improvement. Promoting energy-conscious behavior within your team to reduce energy consumption, lower costs, and improve environmental sustainability. Performing energy audits and conducting regular reviews of energy bills for the facility to identify any anomalies and evaluate the effectiveness of energy-saving initiatives for better energy usage and cost control management. Remember, efficient energy management benefits the environment and your bottom line. By implementing an efficient energy management system, businesses can reduce operational costs and enhance their reputation as environmentally responsible entities. Follow MyFM Guru for more facility management related tips.